So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So the first shift of March 18 has been done now. So here I am with the analysis of the paper. After getting so many feedback from the student who have appeared for the shift, so I will discuss about the student reaction and the expected cutoff category wise, and also I will talk about the difficulty level of the paper subject wise, that is how is the chemistry, how is math, how is physics. So if you are first to my channel, please subscribe the channel. You will get all the important information on this channel at the right time. And there is a special information that after the second shift of today will end, then I will make a video that is marks versus percentile and expected category wise cutoff shift wise from 16 to 18 March. Shift 1, shift 2, both I will discuss in a separate video in which you will get all the information, that is marks versus percentile shift wise and expected cutoff, that is category wise. If you are from SC, ST, EWS, OBC, no matter, you will get all the information there. So please subscribe the channel so that you will get that video also, and I will do the similar type of analysis for second shift of the day also, and I will upload the answer key solution as soon as it release. So be there with this channel, you will get all the guide and support. And one more thing, if you have any doubt or you want to contact me to ask any type of question, you can ask in the comment section, or you can join the Instagram or WhatsApp group. You will get both the link in the description box. So let's start the video. So here is the analysis of the paper, that is March 18 first shift. So some topic we are untouched. This is rare thing because NT always try to cover all the topic, but as the student have suggested, there are some topic which don't contain which doesn't contain any one question. So this is rare about this shift. So instruction we are given to each question. So if you have done any type of mistake in the fab attempt, then you don't need to worry, because if you will appear for the next shift, that is the evening shift of the March 18, then there will be instruction before each integer type question, so that you can provide the answer in the correct format. So you don't need to worry about this. And the question we are from expected topic, as I told, so please watch that video. You will get the link in I button, where I have talked about the expected topic which will contain easy questions. So if you are targeting the April or May attempt, then also you can watch that video so that you will have the idea about that topic, so that you can prepare about that topic easily. So now come to the paper. So first of all, I will talk about the chemistry was NCRT based as usual, but easy. And if you talk about the question, easy, hard or average, so there are around 17 questions which are easy, and 10 questions which are average, and hard is only 3. So difficulty level of the chemistry was easy to moderate, you can say. Some students say, some or many students say that it was easy, but some say it was moderate. So you can say it was easy to moderate level paper. So there is a similarity between first shift of every day, as I told in my previous analysis also. In the first shift, chemistry used to be easy among the three. In the second shift, the chemistry is a little tricky, so be aware of that and be prepared for that if you are preparing for the second shift. So now if you talk about the physics was conceptual and theory based, as it is the case of first and second shift of previous days also. So it was theory based. So if you are preparing for the next shift or next attempt, then please focus on your concept and theory that you have prepared the notes in during the preparation. So if you talk about the level of the question, there were 12 questions, that was easy, average 9, and hard 9 questions. So it makes the paper again easy to moderate, because there are 12 easy questions. So physics was easy to moderate. And math also have some easy questions, that is 12 easy question, 8 average question, and 10 hard questions. So easy question we are from the topics such as permutation, combination, probability, mathematical reasoning, to 3D geometry. So these are the topics which you can focus if you want to score in math easily. So you can target those 12 questions that was easy. So math was moderate to hard, as is the case of every shift, because math can't be easy because it is so lengthy. And math always used to be the hardest among the three. So now if you talk about the overall difficulty of the paper, you can say it was moderate, neither easy nor hard, but it was moderate. But if you compare it with the corresponding shift of the fab attempt, then it is harder than that. So as I said that day by day, that is attempt by attempt, the difficulty level of the paper will be hard because the preparation of the student got also to the next level, so you can expect the paper will be again harder in the next attempt and in the subsequent attempt also. So this is all about the analysis. So now it will also affect on the expected cutoff and marks versus percentile. So the expected cutoff I have already told in a video, that is marks versus percentile for March attempt, and there I have talked about the expected cutoff category wise, that is OBC, SC, ST, EWS, all type of category have been discussed there. So you should watch that video. You will get the link in I button, and also you will get the marks versus percentile. And don't worry, I will make a separate video. But after the second shift of today's will be done, then I will make a separate video, that is marks versus percentile shift wise for all the 6 shift, and also I will talk about the category wise expected cutoff and what will be the safest score. So stay tuned and please subscribe the channel if you haven't done it yet, so that you will get that video also. So thanks for watching this video.